Okay, in today's video, we are going to be talking about high dollars. Now, I've made a couple of videos before about high dollars on my YouTube channel. In fact, I've got a whole playlist of, and this one will be added to that playlist as soon as I've shot it. So check those out if you want to know more about high dollars. But I'm going to show you in today's video 5 different ways that you can actually go and earn high dollars for free. The first video I've done here, I was actually expecting to earn $200 in a year. I've actually now earned over $5,000 already, and I'm not even at that year point yet. So high dollars, having launched recently, is growing exponentially already. So now is the time to get involved if you're not already involved, and go and obviously use these strategies to go and earn daily more high dollars. All you got to do is go in, spend a little bit of time every day, and literally go and earn them for free. So let's jump over to the desktop. Because it's going to be easier to see there how I do it. And I'm going to go through the 5 different ways you can actually earn. And stay tuned, because I've got 2 bonus ways as well that you can actually earn if you've got some free cash you want to actually invest as well. So stay tuned for the 2 bonus ways as well at the end of the video. Okay, so as you can see here, this is high.com. And as you can see, the current dollar price of a high dollar is $1.44. Now, when I started out collecting the high dollars just a few months ago, they were actually at 23 cents. So that is near enough over a 500% increase on my return on my on what I've collected so far. So we're going to go into the back end. Okay, so I'm going to run through 5 different ways where you can actually earn high dollars for free. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether you're just starting out or whether you're already a high member. Check out these videos, because some of these methods you may not be doing. So you want to obviously maximize the amount of high dollars that you are getting. Now remember, obviously high dollars is a cryptocurrency, and it could go up, but it could also come down. So remember, if you are actually investing any money into high dollars, just remember that obviously you could lose as well as you could gain. But if we look at all the other trends on certain cryptocurrencies, most of the trends are generally up, and especially if you're getting in at the right time. And now is the right time to get into high dollars, because it is literally just launched. So it is then obviously starting to grow, and like I say, in the last month or so, I've seen massive growth. It's near enough doubled from about $70 from 70 cents up to $1.44, and that seems to be going up all the time. So now is the best time to go and start grabbing your high dollars. So let's go now and then show you 5 different ways that you can actually go and earn high dollars. Okay, so we've come into my high dollars account here, and as you can see, like I say, I'm up to nearly $6,000 in my total now. And the first way that you can actually go and earn. Now, remember, all of these can be done just on your mobile phone as well. Doesn't have to be done on the web, although you have got the web page here that you can go into, and you can go and check it out daily. But you can do everything on your mobile. So the first thing we want to do is we want to come up to this little present here, and we want to show you how you can earn $1, one high dollar every single day, just by answering a quick question. So let's just show you how quick and easy it is to go and do just that. So that's it. That's the question. Doesn't matter which one you actually press, really, and just click submit. Boom. There we go. $1 high dollar I have actually earned. So check the balance. So I've got over 4,107 high dollars now, which is worth nearly $6,000. Okay, so let's go back to my welcome board. So I've done that. Now remember, you can't go and create loads of different accounts so that you can click on these every time and get more. You can only have one account, guys, and you can only click on it once per 24 hours. But instead that, make sure that you obviously set yourself a reminder, get yourself into a habit. I do it as soon as I get up in the morning when I'm making my breakfast, just go through and quickly do it. Obviously today I've waited a little bit longer to shoot this video, but normally I would have done it by now, and it's all done and in my account. So that is the first and easiest way to go and to collect high dollars. Now the second way to go and collect high dollars, if you click on this little icon of a man here with an arrow, and that is to obviously refer friends, invite friends and family, and also you could do a video on YouTube, or you could do posts on your blog and all that sort of thing, which could possibly invite people. So you just share your invite link here. If you're not already a member, if you click on the link below, that is your invite code. You can use that to join, because you do need an invite code to join. And what happens is then everybody that you invite, you then get 50% of everything they earn. So in other words, if they click every single day and earn one high dollar, then you will get half a high dollar every time they click. And that goes downstream as well. So if their friends that they refer actually go and then they earn half a high dollar, you will then earn a quarter of a high dollar. So it goes down various levels, right, guys? So this again is the second easiest way to actually go and earn high dollars. So like I say, if you're not already a member, now is the best time to actually go and get involved. Click on the link below and use my referral code to go and grab your account. You can also check out the video at the end of this video, which shows you a little bit more in depth about high dollars and exactly what it is. So number 3 we're going to look at, if you scroll down here, you can actually play a game. You can join the game called High Flyers. Now, demo the game first. I would definitely recommend going and play the game, demo the game. But what you can do, you can stake and you can win high dollars, okay? So really, really easy to do. And it can only be done on a mobile, as you can see here. Okay, so all you do is go and check that out, and you can actually go and earn free high dollars on the High Flyers mobile game. Also, remember you could lose some dollars here, so just be wary of that as well. But it's a great way if you're good at gaming and you're good at games. Then it's a pretty easy game that you could go and actually earn more high dollars every single day. So that's number 3. So you can play the High Flyers game and earn high dollars there as well. Now, the fourth one, which is a great one, is if you get any flexible high dollars here. Now, flexible high dollars will be if you've bought some high dollars, but also if people in your team below you have bought high dollars, again, you would get a percentage of that, and this would then end up in your flexible account here. Now, with your flexible account, that's not going to earn you any interest or anything like that. So what I've done here, I've actually clicked on the auto earn. Okay, and what that does is that will then transfer the flexible balance into your earnings balance here. Okay, so we want to try and have a look at that. So if you click on this high button here, now this is movable, this can go up or down, but if we click on it and then click on earnings, as you can see here, this is my earnings fund. Okay, now I only put this in yesterday, just before I actually done this video. But as you can see here, if you drop down on my active earnings, I've got it in for 90 days and I get a balance of 25% interest on that balance. Okay, you can then put other funds inside here, and as you can see, you can choose different ways of doing it. Now, you'd obviously want to get a daily, you can get a daily payout or an end of term payout. So in other words, in 90 days, it will pay out the full amount. You can also lock it in for longer, as you can see, 180 days, 365 days, and then you get up to 40% interest. And you can also add in things like Bitcoin and obviously other cryptocurrencies as well. Ethereum is another one that they actually allow you to do. So if you've got any Bitcoin or Ethereum in other places that's just sitting there, you could transfer it to the high dollars account here and start earning an interest of up to obviously 40% for high dollars and other percentages for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the last thing I want to actually just quickly show you about is okay, so if you have got other funds that are just sitting there, Bitcoin and Ethereum, that you may have earned or bought or whatever, but it's not earning you anything, you could literally go across and you could transfer it to high dollars, where you could actually go and get a more interest on that and earn free high dollars. and free Bitcoin. So if you then go to Pancake Swap here, because high dollars are on Pancake Swap now, you could then go and transfer money from, like, say, Binance, and then go and obviously add it into your earnings, which will then give you and just stake it in there and lock it in for a certain period of time, which will then create you interest. So you'll then be getting free high dollars, because once you've got it in there, you could then even if it's Bitcoin or Ethereum, you could then swap it back to high dollars and make even more high dollars. So those are the 5 things that you can need to go and do, and obviously go and check those out. And remember, if you're not already a member, you will need an invite link, and I've left my invite link in the description below here. So make sure you check that out. Just click that to go and join. Now, before we go, I wanted to also show you 2 more ways that you can actually go and make more high dollars very, very quickly and easily. Now, the first one I want to talk about is literally coming over and buying high dollars. Now, you can do this from your account. Now, remember, our current price is 144. So if we go across, and you can pay by a credit card, you can pay by crypto as well. And as you can see here, the market price at the moment is 144. Now, you could buy at that market price if you wanted to, but if you wanted to keep it in there for 1 year, okay, they give you a reduced price. So it goes to under $1 then, guys. So straight away, in theory, you have made money before you've even obviously actually bought it. Now, you could also do a 4-year daily release, and that goes down to an amazing 36 cents. So you're already earned literally over at $1 on your money that you've actually purchased. Now, you're going to have to keep it in there for 4 years, but as we all know, crypto is a long-term investment, really. Very rarely do you buy and then be able to sell very quickly. And obviously, high dollars don't want you to do that. They want you to actually keep the high dollars in there, people to keep them, not sell them, because then it stabilizes the new currency. Rather than fluctuates it up and down, which it could be very volatile then, and people won't actually go and buy. We want it pretty stable and going up very, very slowly, which is what it's doing currently. So that is a bonus one. Number 1 is to go and buy some high dollars. Second one, if we click on the crown here, you could become a member, and there are member benefits. Now, as you can see here, I've got 87 high dollars staked already. Now, when I get to 100, I become a basic member. And with that becomes different benefits. Now, when you start going up the benefits, you then get a percentage of interest. However many high dollars you've got in your membership package, you will then get a percentage on that, and it starts at 10% and goes up to 20%, etc. Plus, there are other benefits you can get. You can get discount on hotels and that sort of thing, and I'm sure they're going to roll out other things as they go on. So again, this is a good way to go and add more money into your earnings. And again, you could do this by buying and then adding them across to your earnings, which in turn will then give you membership benefits and higher interest as well. Okay, that's it for today's video. Like I say, high dollars is certainly one to watch out for in the future. Don't forget to do your due diligence. Okay, watch the video at the end of this video coming up shortly, and also go through their website and that sort of thing, and check it out and see what you actually think of it. Because I think the project they've got going on here is certainly something that is going to grab a lot of people. And as you can see, there are currently 1.78 million members so far. Okay, I trust you found that useful, interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button. Don't forget to obviously share this video with friends, family, or whatever, so they can benefit from free high dollars too. And if you haven't already, if you want to know more about high dollars, check out, like I say, this video here. This will go into more in depth about how you get started and what high dollars is all about. Also, don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make new videos. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.